The importance of listening in English learning. Listening is one of the foundational skills in language acquisition and plays a pivotal role in learning English effectively. It is often overlooked in favor of speaking, reading, and writing, yet it is the skill that facilitates understanding and communication, which are essential for mastering any language. Developing good listening skills can significantly enhance a learner's ability to comprehend spoken English, improve pronunciation, and expand vocabulary. This essay will explore the various reasons why listening is crucial in English learning, delving into its impact on comprehension, pronunciation, vocabulary acquisition, and overall communication skills. 1. Listening enhances comprehension. Listening is the primary way we receive information in our native language, and it remains equally important in learning a new language like English. When we listen, we are exposed to the natural rhythm, intonation, and stress patterns of the language, which are critical for understanding meaning. Unlike reading, which allows one to revisit and analyze the text, listening requires immediate processing of information, making it a real-time exercise in comprehension. For English learners, this means being able to follow conversations, instructions, and narratives as they unfold, which is a crucial skill for both academic and real-world contexts. Exposure to different accents, dialects, and speaking speeds through listening helps learners become more adaptable in understanding English as it is spoken in various parts of the world. For instance, listening to British English podcasts, American movies, and Australian news broadcasts can train the ear to recognize different pronunciations and vocabulary usage. This versatility in comprehension is essential, especially in a globalized world where English speakers from diverse backgrounds communicate daily. 2. Listening improves pronunciation. Good listening skills are directly linked to accurate pronunciation. By carefully listening to native speakers, learners can pick up the subtle nuances of how sounds are produced, which syllables are stressed, and the rhythm of natural speech. This is particularly important in English, where pronunciation can greatly alter the meaning of words. For example, the difference between desert, a dry region, and dessert, a sweet dish, is a matter of pronunciation. Learners who neglect listening may struggle with these distinctions, leading to misunderstandings. Listening to native speakers provides models for learners to imitate. This process, known as shadowing, involves repeating what is heard as closely as possible. By doing so, learners can practice not only the correct pronunciation of words but also the intonation and cadence of entire sentences. This practice helps develop muscle memory for producing sounds that may not exist in the learner's native language, thereby improving their spoken English over time. 3. Listening aids vocabulary acquisition. One of the most effective ways to acquire new vocabulary is through context, and listening provides ample opportunities for this. When learners hear new words in context, they can often infer their meanings based on the surrounding information. This contextual learning is more effective than rote memorization because it demonstrates how words are used in real-life situations. For example, hearing the word astonished in a sentence like, "She was astonished by the beautiful sunset," helps learners understand that it means being surprised or amazed. Moreover, listening exposes learners to colloquial expressions, idioms, and slang that are not typically found in textbooks. Understanding these elements of spoken English is crucial for engaging in casual conversations and understanding native speakers fully. 4. Listening develops overall communication skills. Effective communication in any language involves not just speaking but also listening actively and responding appropriately. Good listeners are better conversationalists because they can pick up on cues, understand the nuances of what is being said, and provide relevant responses. In English learning, developing good listening skills enables learners to engage in meaningful dialogues, ask clarifying questions, and offer thoughtful replies, all of which are essential for successful communication. Active listening also fosters empathy and cultural understanding, which are important components of communication. By listening to diverse voices and perspectives, learners can gain insights into different cultures and social norms. This cultural competence is particularly important in English, which is spoken by people from a wide variety of cultural backgrounds. Understanding these nuances can help learners navigate social interactions more effectively, whether in academic, professional, or personal settings. 5. Listening supports learning autonomy. Listening to English content independently, such as podcasts, audiobooks, and radio shows, allows learners to take control of their own learning process. This autonomy is crucial for maintaining motivation and consistency in language learning. Unlike traditional classroom settings, where the pace and content are dictated by a curriculum, independent listening gives learners the freedom to choose topics that interest them, set their own pace, and practice at times that are convenient for them. Additionally, with the proliferation of digital resources, learners have access to a vast array of listening materials suited to different proficiency levels and interests. From beginner-level audio courses to advanced academic lectures, there is content available for every learner. This abundance of resources empowers learners to create a personalized learning environment. 6. Listening enhances listening skills in academic and professional settings. In academic settings, strong listening skills are essential for success. Lectures, seminars, and group discussions all require the ability to follow complex arguments, take effective notes, and ask pertinent questions. For non-native English speakers, the challenge is even greater, as they must do all this while processing information in a second language. Regular listening practice can build the stamina and focus needed to perform well in such environments. In professional settings, listening is equally important. Whether attending meetings, participating in conference calls, or engaging with clients, the ability to understand and interpret spoken English accurately is crucial. Misunderstandings in these contexts can lead to serious consequences, from project delays to strained relationships. By honing their listening skills, professionals can ensure that they are fully engaged and responsive in their interactions, thereby enhancing their effectiveness and credibility. 7. Listening as a gateway to fluency. Ultimately, listening is the gateway to fluency. It is through listening that learners are first exposed to the language, and it remains the primary way they will continue to learn and refine their skills. Fluent speakers are those who can not only produce language accurately but also understand it effortlessly in real time. This level of proficiency comes from extensive listening practice, which trains the brain to process English naturally and efficiently. Fluency involves more than just the ability to speak quickly or without hesitation. It requires the capacity to understand and respond to language in all its complexity. This includes grasping implied meanings, detecting humor or sarcasm, and recognizing cultural references, all of which are best learned through listening. For learners aspiring to achieve true fluency, prioritizing listening practice is essential. Conclusion. In conclusion, listening is a fundamental component of English learning that supports every other language skill. It enhances comprehension, improves pronunciation, aids in vocabulary acquisition, and develops overall communication abilities. Moreover, it fosters learning autonomy, prepares learners for academic and professional environments, and is crucial for achieving fluency. By integrating regular listening practice into their study routines, learners can significantly accelerate their English language development and become more confident and competent speakers. In a world where English is a key medium of global communication, the importance of listening cannot be overstated. This essay covers the main points of why listening is critical for English learning and provides a thorough exploration of each aspect. It emphasizes the multifaceted role of listening in building a solid foundation for language proficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.